Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to remove SIM card protection, so how to remove SIM pin. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find security. As you can see here, we've got password security section, and on the very first position we've got SIM card lock, so simply tap on it, and on the very first position we've got lock SIM card option, which is right now turned on, so it means that after restarting your device will require entering the pin. So in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here. As you can see, you have to confirm this step with your current SIM pin, so let me enter it and confirm it with OK in the right upper corner. As you can see, right now this option is inactive, so it means after restarting your device you won't have to enter the SIM card pin. So actually that's all. This is how to remove the SIM card protection in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.